Ngavana wa Kaunti ya Masaku Muandu Wavinya Ndeti Niwakulya Athukumi Nthini wa Mivea Kivathukan'Yo Kuikiithya kana Mituo na Uthukumi Museo Nthini wa Mivea Yonthe ila Uthukuma Niwethiwe Aineenea Umbanoni Umwe wa ekima Masavu maka women accountants kwa Mombsa Wavinya Niwakulya ekima Masavu maka Kunengane Mausyao Matonya Kwoneka Wiani Kuikiithya Utuika Kwonan'ya Utuika wo Uthukumi ni kwituma na Uthukumi Museo lina musangi no kutweleza.
Ngavana wa Kaunti ya Masaku Muandu Wavinya Ndeti Aineenea Kaunti ya Mombsa cha Nthini cha utani ya Kalamenzini wa utongoi nuthingililie vata waka kwithiwa na Mituo ya ile Wiani no kenda kuthukuma kwa
need to create an ecosystem that births and matures the leadership dream of every woman in Kenya. It starts here and in this forum.
Kalamenzini wa mawea makonete wiki wa Masavu kana accountants ni mathuthiswe mathukuma na kithito no kenda Kwonan'ya mwelekeo museo kwa lani ni Umwe na Kwonan'ya Utuika wonzini wa wea
The accounting profession in this country and especially in the public sector is facing critical tests. So often, the Office of the Auditor General raises audit queries, some of which could easily have been addressed by an accountant who is keen to perform their duty according to the rules of the book. Some errors and omissions can easily be sorted by accountants through provision of relevant information and documents to auditors in good time. I therefore call upon accountants, especially in the public sector, to make the work of your bosses easier by being meticulous in your tasks and giving them the correct advice, however unpleasant it may be at times. It is very important. Tell your boss the truth.
Ni wathania Kuthukuma mwamba na kalama ya utongo ini otaukutetheisya Kukulya Mausyao ni Umbanola wambie matuku watatu na valova niwe kuthela kwi muthenyani wa wakachano.
Narrative has now been adjusted. Management for results. Even as governor, I have to show results at the end of the day. Where you are, you have to show results. There is no beating up about the bush, or giving lame excuses. No, you just have to try and make sure everything you do, there are results to be seen, tangible results. That way, you protect yourself. It doesn't matter what anybody says. You say, yes, I went through this process and this is what I've been able to deliver. What other question do you have? As accountants, get into your workshop every morning with clear outcomes in your mind. It is one of the best work ethics known to man.
Report of Lingua Mauvo Nilina Mosangi.